Hi, I'm Dr. Chris and welcome to Blue Titan On Demand. I am here to add value to your fitness, to your health, and to your life. I'm also the clinic director of Barefoot Rehab in Northern New Jersey, where we've been treating athletes and chronic pain patients for the past 10 years, get out of pain, stay out of pain, and even prevent getting in pain in the first place. How do you do that? So I'm going to be sharing a bunch of videos with you to make sure that injury and pain never keeps you away from your workouts. How do you use tools like this foam roller and these rock tape instruments to make sure that you stay safe? How do you make sure that you don't do them and get injured? How do you make sure that you do rehabilitative exercises? How do you sleep? How do you deal with your diet and your stress to make sure that you stay healthy and pain never plagues you? I look forward to sharing with you videos inside, and have a great day.